Yes, welcome to Bikes with Rye. Thank you for clicking on my video. Start the bike up. Oh yeah. So I've just finished up at the gym, just hit legs, and I'm going to be honest, I am absolutely frazzled. However, the sun is shining, I'm on my bike, so life is damn good. And listen guys, I want to have a bit of a moan on this moto vlog. I want to whinge. As good as I feel, I still want to moan. And do you know why? Because, well, I have 2 weeks off work now, so it's Friday, finished this evening, and as you know, hit legs, and now I've got 2 weeks off, and I find out that the Balearics have gone on to the green list, so we can travel there and not have to quarantine on return. Now wouldn't you know this, right? I actually had plans to go to Ibiza, and I had hotel bookings made, because basically about 3 weeks ago the rumour was that the Balearics were going to go on the green list for the end of June. So that didn't happen, and I went ahead and I cancelled the hotels, and the flights are really cheap as well, right? But luckily I didn't book the flights. Anyway, today, yes, announcement, literally what, less than a week away, and we can now travel on the 30th of June to Ibiza, and I had my hotel booked for the same day. Oh, for 10 nights, wouldn't that have been absolute bliss? And yeah, so I cancelled the hotel, went to have a look today to see what they were saying. Of course, they are a lot more expensive, and also the flights, which have just been stuck on sale, are also expensive, and it's put me off. So I'm annoyed. And you know what? For the next week, the weather here in the UK isn't looking good, which makes it even worse. So I can't even ride my bike, I can't even go on holiday. Oh. In other news though, oh yeah, in other news, I do have my first vaccine booked for this Sunday, so in 2 days time, and I am a little bit nervous because I am conscious that I could potentially get some side effects, but listen, I've got to get it done, right? I've got to get it out of the way. I've got to play my part. I want to be a bit more patient and maybe wait a bit longer to have it done, just because I want to see if anyone else is going to drop dead in the meantime and it all come out that, oh, the vaccines are dangerous. But no, I think, yeah, look, I've got to get it done. And actually, if I get it done, I think the rumour is that, you know, we'll be able to travel once we're fully vaccinated, and I really want to go away on holiday. I haven't been away last year, and it's looking a little bit grim this year, and I love a holiday. So yeah, I'm going to play my part. And actually I haven't felt too well recently either. Been on and off, and I've done two COVID tests, both come out negative. But yeah, I've had a runny nose, headache, and just felt a little bit down. So, but being out the bike makes me feel up. Let's listen to the old auto blipper. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yes. So I'm still running without the baffle in. Sometimes I stick the baffle in, sometimes I take it out. Oh, R6 there. He's loving life. So yeah, I just want to mention, guys, so I get a lot of comments, a lot of inbox messages on my Instagram, and I appreciate you guys for reaching out to me. I do like all your questions, but a lot of times I get asked about the Leo Vince exhaust and asking for a link. Now, I am not an affiliate or whatever, you know, I'm not trying to promote the Leo Vince. All you have to do is go on Leo Vince's official website, and this exhaust is for the 2017 model. We're on the 2020 bike. The 2017 exhaust fits the 2020 no problem. In fact, I have the SE Project headers on this for the 2017 bike. Goes on this bike pretty well. So yeah, exhaust systems for the 2017 and 2020, you're good to go. Oh, you're going to pull out? It's fine, I'll let you off. Just get out of my way. I'm trying to scrub these tyres in. Front tyres literally on the limit. I need to get it sorted soon. The rear tyres scrubbing in nice. And I actually had somebody comment saying you don't need such sticky rubber for this type of riding. I only ride in the dry, and I do like the idea of sticky tyres. Why would I want really grippy tyres? What, so you're suggesting I should have tyres that aren't so grippy? They're just as good. I don't know about that. I'm not sure. Hey, I want to mention something, and I'd love to hear from the guy that let himself be known when I was at the Super Sausage. He called out my name. He called me well, he called me Life of Rye, which was what my channel used to be called, and then I changed it to Bikes of Rye. But yeah, I could not believe it. Somebody spotted me at the Super Sausage a couple of weekends back. I think next, before I know it, I'll be having oh, there's a camera van. Look at that cheeky look. I hate, why is it sat there? Like, come on. Yeah, so there was a guy at Super Sausage, and he was calling out, oh, you know, Life of Ryan, and I couldn't believe it. So he actually knows me. So I think next I'll be kissing babies and shaking hands, you know, and having photos with people. It's crazy. Like, channel my size, I just couldn't believe somebody knew me. So yeah, if you are watching this video, please comment, let me know it was you. It'd be good to hear. And yeah, I'm excited to meet so many more people as my channel grows. I want to yeah, I want to enjoy every moment of it. So anyway, this was just a quick video, guys. I thought I'd shoot one on the way home for the gym. I'm not long from home, so I'm going to leave it there. So appreciate this is a short one. If you did enjoy the video, please drop me a thumbs up, and if you've done that, I'm going to give you a to say thank you. And now everyone thinks I'm a prat. So yeah, hope to see you in another video soon. See you later.